What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna learn how to edit a photo like a pro in just 1 minute. That's really easy, very simple, and you just have to do what I'm gonna do, and that's it. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Here we have some pictures, but I'm gonna take this picture that I took in Azure, and if you didn't watch my previous vlog, you can guys check out that. I went there in Azure, and that's really nice vlog. So here we have this photo. We're gonna take a background copy. We will take it. After that, what we're gonna do, we will go in hue and saturation. We went hue and saturation, so here's the master, and after that you will go directly to magentas. In magentas you will put it in -100, then again blues. In blue you can make it a little bit here, so because I want this blue color. And then after that cyans, so cyans you will go again -100, and then greens again -100. In yellows you can go again -100. After that in red you will go a little bit higher in a positive, like -20. After that you will go in a selective color. In selective color, make sure it's red, and then you will go to minus side and -23. So it's looking really good now, and we have done it. And then we can remove these kits also. Make sure that it's a select background copy. So after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a selection on this kit. You can select any tool, but I selected lasso tool. And after that, what I'm gonna do is you will go to edit, fill, and then content aware 100%. Make sure these are the selections, and then OK. Wow, so you can see there's nothing. It's like there was nothing. Alright guys, this was the video of today, and I hope that you like it. And if you like it, then just hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe my channel, you can do it. It's really free of cost. So I'll see you in the next video. Until that time, peace out.